Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the best screen recorder app which I could find for the Android devices. And for iOS it has already built in, but this app is for iOS and Android devices. So let's not delay anymore and get into the video. This is Techie Tech, let's get started. So guys, I'm on my phone and let's open the app which I was saying, and its name is X Recorder and it's provided by InShot Inc. So before getting opening the app, now let's just see. You have a video over here and it has a rating of 4.7 and reviews of 3 lakhs 3 lakhs 9 39 lakhs 44,000. That's great. And now let's click on it. So you get a one click to record, pause and continue at any time. And I have tried all these features. I'll be saying you in detail in the video. And it is easy to share and save. You can share it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and whatever, wherever you want. And you get to change the resolution and FPS, which is very important for our phones, because if you have a very low capable phone, it's very tough to use. And you can take the screenshot also if you don't have the screenshot in your phone or whatever it is. And it is easy to operate. You can just drag it from up and down, and you can record, screenshot, tools and home and exit. And you can also have it on the sidebar, and you can face cam also is option, like it's an option, and you can capture it with your face cam, but you need to give the permission also. So you can see all of it in the app. And that's all. Now let's open the app. Now I opened the app. Now let's get it started up. See, as you can see, this automatically pops up. I'll just close that for you to check out. Now this is the camera option. So the camera automatically comes up on. Now let me just off that. You can take a screenshot of that. And this is a screenshot shutter. You can take a screenshot if you don't have a screenshot, like screenshot option. And you also have the brush option. The brush option is also available. You can write whatever you want in this. Let me just write Techie Tech. See, you can see, you can write whatever you want, and after that you can just take a screenshot over here by clicking on that button. Now you can make squares of it, rectangles, or whatever shape you want for like rounding of highlighting the information. And this is the thing. Now after that also you have the marks, like I want it over here, I want it over here, like that. So that's like that. And you also have the mosaic option. I think the size of it is high. That's all. And you can erase it also. And this is a screenshot. And this is the color changing option and the size option. Let's close that app. And now we have the floating ball. The floating ball is nothing but just the recording option. And you have some tools which are screenshot, camera and brush, and record audio, volume and orientation. You can keep it in landscape or portrait. So that's the option. And you can just, like, these are the shortcut to use them. And if we go to third one, if you click on the home button, you'll automatically come to the X Recorder app. And we have the settings over here. If you, the ads will come up, pop up. And if you buy the pro version, there will be no ads and you'll get enjoy unlimited features, like every feature in that. And then we have the video options. You can record with your microphone or mute it, and the volume is up for me 100. You can change it to back and front. And now the resolution is also 180p and 720p. You can change it, but I would suggest 180p because I use that. And quality is auto. You can change it if you want to change it. And for the fps, it is also auto. You can change it to 60 fps and whatever fps you want. And orientation, I already said you, it's auto, landscape and portrait. And save location. And so after that, you can also on your avoid abnormal stop. And for the control settings, you can keep recording mode, performance mode or normal mode. And countdown also, you have the countdown which will be shown on the screen, and pop-up window after taking screenshot, hide record window during record, shake phone to stop recording, and all these over there. And these are the things. I'll just keep a recording, and after that I'll end it up. See, this is the recording. 3 2 1, it comes up pop-up like in this. And this is the recording. See, it's recording, and if I stop it, you can hear it. Recording. See, it's recording. See, you could hear it. And now it's the, you can see the feedback. And catch you in the next one. Peace.